So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best stretch resolution in Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 4. A large percentage of people are not subscribed, so if you guys enjoy the video, a sub would be much appreciated. A majority of people right now in Fortnite are playing on native resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. Native resolution is good, but it's leaving you at a disadvantage. You can achieve the same look while also getting an FPS boost in game. If you have a high-end PC and are pulling good frames, then stay on native, but for those who have a medium to low-end PC, might want to give one of these resolutions a try because it could help with frame rates and stuttering in game. I've tried all of the resolutions that will be provided in this video, and each resolution has their pros and cons, but overall you should try each resolution for yourself. First resolution I suggest trying is 1650 by 1080. It's a good alternative to native, but gives you a little FPS boost while not sacrificing quality. This resolution and every other resolution in this video stretches the screen so there's less pixels on screen, making the game run a bit smoother. Using this resolution or any other resolution I suggest will make the game more responsive as well. So this is how you create your custom stretch resolution for Fortnite. Step 1, you want to right click on your desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel. Once it opens, you should be greeted at this tab, change resolution. But if you're greeted with this tab, just look on the left hand side and it should say change resolution and just click on it. So once you're here, just press customize, create custom resolution, and type in your resolution of your choice. So let's just say 1440 by 1080. Press test. Your monitor should go black. This should pop up. Just click yes. Your monitor should go black again, and then just press OK, and then you should see your custom resolution right here. Click on it, apply. This should pop up. Press yes, and then now you have your custom resolution in Windows. If you do get black bars, just come to adjust desktop size and position and change the scaling from no scaling to full screen, or from aspect ratio to full screen, and then click this drop down menu and change it from GPU to display if you have the option. If you don't, just leave it on GPU. So once you're done that, press the Windows button and R, and then type %local app data %, click OK. Scroll down until you see Fortnite game, click on it, click saved, click config, Windows client, right click on game user settings, go to properties, untick read only, apply, and OK. Click on it, click on edit, click on find, and type resolution. And then you should see resolution size X and Y. Change it to the resolution that you set in the NVIDIA control panel. So for me, it's 1440 by 1080 for both. Make sure you see it 4 times. Once you're done, click the X. It should say to save it. Click save. Right click on game user settings, hit properties again, and click read only. You have to do this or else it won't work. Click apply, OK, and you should be good. The second resolution I suggest trying is 1440 by 1080, as this gives more of an FPS boost. I personally use this resolution and I find it pretty good. tfue, a well-known Fortnite and COD streamer on Twitch, also uses this resolution when he plays Fortnite. The resolution is perfect because it gives a nice balance of quality and performance. The last resolution I suggest trying is for the people who have really low-end PCs. I suggest using 1024 by 650. This will give the best FPS possible, but your game will look pretty bad. Anything lower than 1440 by 1080, I suggest not using unless you have a really low end PC. So I have a Dell Optiplex 710. I know it's a pretty low end PC, but I'm able to achieve higher frame rates in Fortnite by using 1440 by 1080. My PC specs are a GTX 1050 Ti, 16 gigs of RAM clocked at 1600 megahertz, and I have a Core i5 3470. It's a pretty decent PC, and I'm able to achieve higher frame rates in Fortnite using one of these stretch resolutions. So you guys should give a resolution in this video a try if you have similar specs to me. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, it's been your boy Zxire, and I'm out. Thanks for watching.